Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a free membership on Prodigy. That's right, guys. Get a free membership on Prodigy. You do not have to spend a single dime, guys. It's very simple, very quick, and very easy, guys. So before we get into this tutorial, I have a red iPhone XR that I'm going to be giving away to one of you guys. So if you want to win this, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone, guys. Alrighty, let's get into this tutorial.
So what you want to do is open up Google, and then you want to type in your URL at the top, odexgen.com. Once again, odexgen.com, guys. So it should bring you to a website that looks like this, guys. So what you want to look for is Prodigy++, guys. You may have to scroll down a little bit. For me, it was the first one. So once you find it, just click on that. And it's going to say app tweaking required, and then you're going to see an orange button that says download Prodigy++. So go ahead and click that orange button, and it's going to say tweaking app. So pretty much what this is doing, guys, is it's just preparing your phone to inject new coding and software into your phone to be able to download Prodigy++, guys. Then it's going to say preparing human verification, guys. So pretty much what this means is it's going to give you a captcha completion challenge, or in other words, a human verification test to make sure that you're a real person. Because what people like to do is they'll make a bunch of accounts on Prodigy, and then they'll use this this membership generator to get membership on the account, and then they'll sell these accounts online, guys. So what you want to do here is, guys, you see 4 simple offers, or 4 apps, guys. Sometimes you may have surveys. With the surveys, it's very simple. All you have to do is click on the surveys, and then it'll take you to a site, and all you have to do is fill out, I think it's 3 questions is the most that I've had, guys. So those surveys will take you less than 30 seconds, guys. Those are very simple. All right, guys. So with the apps, all you have to do is download each one and run it for 30 seconds, guys. So I'll give you that example with Norton Secure VPN. So just go ahead and tap on that. Then it's going to bring you to the App Store, guys. So what you want to do is just install it and then open it up and run it for 30 seconds, guys. It's very simple. And once 30 seconds is up, you want to come back, and then you want to complete the rest of your apps, guys. So just install each one and then run them for 30 seconds, guys. And then once you have completed all 4 offers, then you should have the Prodigy++ app downloaded to your phone, guys.
Alrighty, guys, so once you complete that full process and complete all 4 simple offers, then you should be able to get free membership for your Prodigy account, guys. It's very simple, very quick, guys. So let me know how this worked for you guys down in the comment section below. If you have any problems, just drop your social media down there, and I'll DM you guys and make sure that you guys get any problems that you have resolved, guys. So if you want to win this red iPhone XR, just like, comment, and subscribe, guys. That's how you enter into this giveaway. Just like, subscribe, and comment why you want the phone, guys. It's very simple. Alrighty, guys, I hope this helped you guys out, and as always, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, guys. It helps me out a lot.